Hey, bud, you seeing your toy? Hi, baby. Is this the first time that you're playing with the toys? What do you think? Get it. We'll put your giraffe up there too. You're having fun, huh? You're so grown up. Harley wants to play with your toys too. Sorry, Harley. These are for Crawford. I know, I'm sorry. Crawford, hi! Do you see your mommy? Hi, buddy. Hey, can you give me a smile? You smiled at me earlier today for the first time. Of course, you didn't get that on film. Kick and kick and play and play. Oh, and yawn. Yeah. Hey, buddy.